Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a variable product in WooCommerce. Perfect for products with different sizes, colors or styles. Let's get started. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard, log into your account and go to product section from your dashboard. Then click add new. Here you will add your basic products details like the product name, description and main image. Example product name like classic t-shirt. Now scroll down to the product data section. By default it's set to simple product. Click on the drop down and change it to variable product. Now click on the attributes to tab inside the product data box. By default it's set to simple product. Click on the drop down and change it to variable product. Now click the attributes tab inside the product data box. Attributes are things like size, color, materials, whatever variations your product has. For example, let's create an attribute called size. In the value box, type small, then a vertical line, medium, vertical line, large, like small, medium, large. Make sure to check used for variations before saving. You can add another attribute like color the same way if you want multiple options. Now go to the variations tab from the drop down. Choose create variations from all the attributes and click go or OK. WooCommerce will automatically create a variation for each combination like a small red t-shirt, medium blue t-shirt and so on. Now expand each variation. You will need to add important details like the price, stock status, SKU, and you can even upload a different image for each variation if you want. Don't forget to set a main product image and write a short product description that describes your product overall. Once everything looks good, click publish and your variable product will go live in your store. Let's view the product. Now customers can choose different sizes, colors or styles right from the product page. Variable product created successfully. And that's it. You have successfully created a variable product in WooCommerce. Super easy once you know the steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.